Hey guys, join our family while we make our dinner. It's Friday and we're looking forward to the weekend. Here's Shane. Hello, MJ. Are you?
Yeah, we are.
What food are we making?
I forgot. Dasha made it.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a fatta. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello everyone from the Tikka family.
Oh no, I was thinking myself to that.
I want to win.
Okay, who wants to be Tikka? Hey, John has to come over here. You'll have a turn after. John will come here and then he has to come to 10 and all of us have to hide.
Want it big slices or
Curry,
bite
bite size, yeah. We just added this one here, chicken tikka. You can buy this from Pack and Save. I think it was like $1 or something or $2. And so I just added salt and now I'm gonna go with oil. Because I don't have any more plain yogurt, I'm just using the oil. Still nice. This is another cheap way of marinating chicken to have that nice flavor. And then you just throw it in the oven. And that's it. Really. Ideally, you want to leave it overnight or, um, an hour in the fridge. But me, I don't have that patience. So. You can add a lot more, but because the kids are going to have some, it's a little bit spicy. So I'm not going to add that much. And then we leave it aside. Woohoo! Okay, so dinner's ready. Got lamb curry, chicken tikka, faalifu, and then chicken nuggets for the fussy eaters. All right, see you in a bit. Is it nice, Dasha?
yeah.
So darling, darling, stand by me.
Oh, won't you stay?
good.
Just the camera. Ah, my foot. Dasha, look. Younger brother. Mommy, my leg hurts. Younger sister. No, that mommy is like.
Ma, ngayon kayo. Ano yan? Stand.
Thank you.
You're welcome, babe.
Okay.
Come and say hello, Anna. Now, on to the Tikka chicken tita. Oh, chicken tita.
Mom.
Is it the Tikka?
Oh, it's not Tikka.
Tikka.
Chicken.
Chicken tikka.
Chicken.
And pepe. Loy pepe. And the curry. Yeah.
This how I cut the lamb. 2 pint sizes instead of 1 pint size.
My leg Mom, you feel happy? Feel beefy?
Yeah.
Beefy means that too strong.
My microphone died.
Your microphone died. Maybe we caught it. We caught it.
I'm Skype. Say my piti mama. Tamale pepe. I hope you guys can hear me, but I'm full now. That was yum as. That was worth the wait. I'm gonna Shane's just making me and Mao's cup of tea. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight, fam, while we made dinner. We had lamb curry, chicken tikka, faalifu, and nuggets for the little ones. We made something for everyone because these guys are fussy as. If you're ever stuck on what to make, here's a quick dinner tip. Just grab this $2 tikka seasoning from Pack and Save and the biryani. So good. And then mix it with plain yogurt or even just a bit of oil. Then chuck it in the oven. It's easy, cheap, and so good. Well, thanks for being here with our family, and we'll see you in the next one. Paftai lava. Good night.